sender, there is somebody who is called as receiver. They can be one to one, this can be one to many, this can be many to many. There are types of communication. Number one, formal communication. Number two, informal communication. Number one, written communication. Number two, verbal communication. Silence also is a communication. Body language also is a communication. Correct? And there can be again a cross functions, right? That means formal written communication, formal verbal communication. Informal verbal communication, informal written communication also. Right? There can be a multiple ways of communication. Then there are some kind of modes of communication. It's like push type of communication, pull type of communication, and interactive communication. Push type of communication means what? I am creating some information. Let's say I create some information, a data attachment to an email and send to 50 people. So I am pushing the information to the multiple people. In push type of information, I don't know unless and until there is a channel closed, a loop is closed on the other end, that whether the information is received or not. Now received doesn't mean into his mailbox, no. Received means received, read, understood. That is called as received. It is not received means technically received. Received means communication received or not. So I don't know unless and until I get received, question, agree, doesn't agree, whatever is there. And I get it in a push type of communication. In pull type of communication, what is there? Typically, pull type of communication is used when mass communication is used. It is practically not possible for me to really communicate with those many expected recipients. Typically, one of the example is what? Publish the information on the website. So n people across world, right? Anybody can log in at any time, and they have to pull the information. I am not giving the information to anybody. I am putting at one place. People are logging to my website and pulling that information from there. So it is more of mass communication or different type of communication, whether intended recipients can be many or even unknown. In that case, I cannot do the communication definitely. So I publish information at one place and people has to log in. Now for that purpose, for these kind of pull type of communication methodology, when intended recipients are many, then how can I create that they will reach information, and hence search engine kind of a picture has come into the picture. Why there is a birth of search engine? Is it just a contact between somebody who is putting a pull type of information, somebody is generating a pull type of information, and somebody who wants to pull that information. So from where I have to pull? I don't know, because you must know www.vinsys.in. How will you know? It's not like I am not Google or I am not Microsoft, like everybody knows that. So there has to be somebody called as Google search engine who says, okay, project management training, ITI training, so you just put down there, then there will be some 5 sites. One of them will be www.vinsys.in, right? Then you can definitely get a connectivity, a communication channel to reach to a pull type of communication. There is something else which is called as interactive communication. This is interactive communication. Yes.